In today's video, we'll be unboxing and setting up the Acer Aspire 3. The laptop I have here has an Intel Core i3-1005G1 that has a base clock of 1.2 GHz and a boost of 3.4. This laptop also has 8 GB of DDR4 memory. With that, you will also be getting a 256 GB NVMe SSD with Windows 10 Home pre-installed. The display on this laptop is a 15.6-inch HD LED backlit LCD with a resolution of 1366 by 768. For connectivity, you'll be getting dual-band Wi-Fi with gigabit LAN and Bluetooth 5.0. You'll be getting up to 8 hours of battery life with a full charge. This laptop does meet the minimum requirements to upgrade to Windows 11 in the future. This laptop retails for $399 at Micro Center and $439 at the Acer website. Both links are in the description.